Joining us now in the studio to discuss the historic gas deal is Amir Foster, the head of research and strategy at the Israel Association of Oil and Gas. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So how big of a deal is this for Delek? What is the significance of the deal on a company scale and also national scale?
It's big. It's big. It's $15 billion deal.
Yeah.
And it's really important for Israel, a deal like that, because it's given a sign that there is a market for the Israeli gas. Because
absolutely. Well, I mean, I think also this is the biggest deal Israel and Egypt have signed. I mean, many are saying that since the 1979 peace agreement, right? So,
I think, yeah, definitely it's the biggest deal that we signed with a country from the Arab world.
Is there a trajectory for Israel, or for Delek and for Noble to also be providing gas to other Arab Gulf nations?
Not to Arab Gulf nations, because they don't need actually
right.
gas. They have, but we have already agreement with Jordan.
Right, and from 2016.
Yeah, so it's kind of, for me it's amazing, because we are going to sell, Israel going to sell 10 BCM of natural gas a year to Jordan and Egypt, and 10 BCM it's equal to 61 million barrels of oil per year.
Right.
So
well,
we imagined that like 10 years ago.
I think it's going to be interesting to see kind of the impact that this has on the Israeli economy as well, obviously. But, you know, it's still not clear how that gas is going to be transferred to Egypt. What are the plans right now?
There's few options for that. One is to use the EMG pipeline, which Israel imported gas a few years ago with this infrastructure from Egypt. So just to change the flow of the gas not from Egypt to Israel, from Israel to Egypt. Yeah. So this is one option. Second option is we are going to supply gas to Jordan.
Right.
So in Jordan there is a pipeline called the Arab pipeline,
right,
which built to export gas from Egypt to Jordan and Syria. And today it stops in Jordan, and Egypt is not export any gas anymore. So
the idea is for Israel to kind of take control of that pipeline, or I guess enhance it.
Or to build another one in Sinai.
Okay.
So
well, here's a question: are there any other gas deals on the horizon for Israel that you can tell us about?
There is, of course, I don't know if there is something that will be soon or something like that. But in Egypt, there is 2 liquefaction plants that international company invest in to build them billions of dollars. And because they don't have gas, the Egyptians, to feed them, they not operational today.
Wow.
And it's facilities that when you liquefy the gas, you can send it all over the world. So everybody understands today that the available gas to feed these LNG facilities is gas or from Israel or from Cyprus, or both.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I mean, this is obviously a big deal for the state of Israel, and
yeah.
thanks for joining us to tell us about it.
Thank you very much.